State House Girls High School has closed indefinitely. Chief Principal J. Mongera announced the closure on Monday evening, citing restlessness among students amid the broader wave of school unrest sweeping the country, with parents being directed to collect their daughters from 8 a.m. on Tuesday. State House Girls joins a growing list of schools shut down since the dormitory fire at Utumishi Girls Academy in Gilgil on May 27th, which killed 16 students and injured 79 others. Residents of Nanyuki went back on the streets on Tuesday, demonstrating the proposed US-backed Ebola quarantine facility at Laikipia Air Base. This follows a week of escalating unrest that began on Monday, June 1st, when hundreds marched towards the base and clashed with police. 2 people died from gunshot wounds during that initial protest, with at least 31 others arrested and charged with obstructing motor vehicles. Satellite images reviewed by Reuters showed a block of land within the airbase has already been cleared as of May 27th, with a cluster of white tents already erected by June 4th, despite a High Court order suspending construction. Health Minister Aden Duale has insisted that the facility is for everyone, not exclusively for American nationals. The 19-year-old student from KMTC who was thrown from a moving Nikosako Matatu died while receiving treatment at Kenyatta National Hospital later that day. An autopsy conducted Monday at KNH mortuary confirmed the cause of death as severe internal bleeding caused by blunt force trauma, consistent with being struck by the vehicle's tire after falling onto the road. Eugene Mutuku had only just begun his clinical attachment at a hospital in Kasarani area when the incident occurred. A Good Samaritan who witnessed the incident and captured it on a dashcam rushed Eugene to hospital and allegedly spotted the same Matatu at Garden Estate still picking up passengers. 2 directors of Nico Transport Company were arraigned in court on Monday on charges of aiding the crew's disappearance. The Kenya Urban Roads Authority has announced partial closures on 3 major corridors beginning this week, with some to last up to 8 months. Starting Thursday, June 11th, Ngong Road will be partially closed for 1 week between Windy Ridge and Westwood Park Road to allow the installation of twin cross culverts. The longer disruptions begin on Friday, June 12th on Kenyatta Avenue, Valley Road and Jakaya Kikwete Road, which will see partial closures running through to February 12th, 2027. to allow bridge construction works. Haile Selassie Avenue will be partially closed from the same date through to October 12, 2026 for bridge works. And those are your top 5 news stories for today. If you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. My name is Raf Wangutusi, and this has been your Daily Brief.